Hello friends, let's start a new target molecule which containing a aryl ketone as a functional group. So in the aryl ketone, suppose we have such type of target molecule there. If it containing a benzene ring, that is aryl ring, and it containing a ketonic function group, right? So this is a target molecule, right? And suppose there is a another function group is there. So this is target molecule. How we can break this target molecule? This target molecule can be easily break at the side branch containing ketonic function group, and if we break this molecule it gives formation of a aryl ring, and along with there is formation of a that is ketonic synthone, right? So if we go for the backward reaction for this reaction, so it is a FC acylation, right? So if we break this molecule, we can break this molecule as a FC acylation, and the synthetic equivalent for these molecule, either we can take a acyl halide, right? And or sometimes we can take as a ester, right? Two molecules, or sometimes we can take as a acid, that is RCOOH in presence of H2SO4, right? So this is the simple method for the preparation of aryl ketone by using a FC acylation reaction. So let us take a simple target molecule which containing a aryl ketonic as a function group. So here suppose a target molecule will be like this. It containing a benzene ring as well as containing ketonic function group, and then another there is a benzene ring and it containing a substitution like this. So this is a target molecule, and we have to synthesize such type of target molecule using electrosynthetic analysis. So here are two positions we can break molecule. That means we can break molecule at this position. Suppose this is called as a root A. Suppose this is root A. If we break this molecule at this position, what it gives? It gives formation of a FC acylation root. That means along with this it gives formation of a molecule like this, right? And it containing a positive ion here, and the synthetic equivalent for this compound, if you take acyl group, it will be like this, right? So this is the simple molecule, and then it can be prepared from a diol as a function group, or it is also called as a catechol. In presence of catechol and formaldehyde, we can prepare such type of protected diol, right? So this is the one route, and if we go for the second route, that means if we break molecule at the B position, it is called as a route B. Then what it gives? It gives formation of, in one function group there is a acyl group, suppose X is there, and along with it containing a substitution, plus it gives formation of that is a benzene ring, right? So it gives a benzene ring. But if we see the disconnection A is looks like better, because this root A will be looks like better because the reaction will be proceed with FC acylation, and also the aromatic precursor, that is this acetal, the ring is more activated by electron donating oxygen. So it gives more activation ring, and this benzene ring is more activated, and it will be easily go for FC acylation, and therefore route B is not good as compared to the route A, and this route A will be gives a better result. That is, if we go for synthesis is very simple. That means we have to take this catechol OH, and into that we have to add the formaldehyde SC double bond OH. In presence of acidic condition, it will be gives a protected diol. So this is protected diol, and into that if we are adding the pH CH2 C double bond O Cl in presence of AlCl3. But how we can prepare this molecule? We can prepare this molecule by using a benzyl acetic acid, right? And in presence of, suppose, thionyl chloride SOCl2, it gives formation of this molecule, and by FC acylation it will be go for formation of target molecule. So this is very simple method to prepare such type of the aryl ketones, right? Then second target molecule, if you go for second target molecule is, suppose it looks like say aromatic ketones and it containing a function group like this, right? And it containing a different substitution on these aromatic ring. So it containing a donating substitution and other containing a withdrawing substitution. Then we can break this molecule again at the two positions. Suppose we can break the molecule at this position, but it gives formation of a compound like this, that is OMe plus here is carbonyl function group, and we can substitute as a X function group is there, and the remaining group is called as a, that is nitrobenzene, NO2. Then if we break this molecule at the B position, so this is root A, suppose we break the molecule at the root B position, what it gives formation of a compound that is OMe, and this OMe along with it gives formation of a X, then C double bond O and the benzene ring, that is containing a nitro function group at the para position, right? So such type of two disconnections are there. But if we see among these two disconnections, if we go for Fc acylation by using this reaction, Fc acylation, we know that this ring, the aromatic ring, which must be activated, it must be activated so that it can donate the electron here and it can form a Fc acylation product. But due to this nitrogen, the ring is deactivated, and therefore Fc acylation will not be proceed, right? So this Fc acylation will not be proceed because of the presence of nitro group on this molecule, and therefore instead of root A, root B will be looks like a better, because it gives a benzene ring which containing two methoxide group, that is oxygen group present, and it will be more activated, and the Fc acylation reaction will be proceed faster, right? So if you go for preparation of such type of molecule, that is the breaking of the molecule, here is two methoxide group at this position, and then here is a carbon-carbon double bond, and here is a benzene ring which containing a nitro as a function group. So we can go for root B. In root B we can break molecule at this position, and it gives formation of a, that is OMe, and OMe as a function group, along with it gives formation of a molecule will be like this with containing nitro as a function group, and here will be X, and then it can be easily prepared from, that is a function group like this. Then this molecule can be also easily prepared from, that is function group interconversion. If you go for function group interconversion, instead of this acyl group we can take here as a acid function group, that is C double bond O OH, and the nitro group will be present at the para position, and it will be prepared from again a function group interconversion, that is by using a para nitrotoluene. So this is para nitrotoluene, right? Synthesis, para nitrotoluene is also easily available. If you go for synthesis, suppose we have such type of phenol, that is phenol, and in that phenol if we go for DMS in presence of NaOH, it gives formation of a protected, that is phenols, that OMe. In second step we can prepare the para nitrotoluene. Suppose we have such type of para nitrotoluene. Into that para nitrotoluene, if we are oxidize this, that is Na2Cr2O7, it gives formation of a para nitrobenzoic acid. This is para nitrobenzoic acid. If you treat with this SOCl2, it gives formation of a acyl group, that is para nitro, this acyl group Cl, and if you treat these molecule with the protected phenol OMe, in presence of AlCl3, but it gives a target molecule. So this is again a very simple method to prepare such type of aryl ketones. Let us see another target molecule, the molecule containing as a function group OH and pH, that is beta hydroxyketone. So it can be easily break by using a alcoholic function group, that means it is symmetrical alcohol. We can break these two molecules, so it gives formation of a ester, right? Double bond O, OET, plus it gives formation of 2 pH minus phenylyl, and it can be easily prepared from 2-phenyl magnesium bromide, and it can be easily obtained from phenyl bromide. Right? So this is ethyl acetoacetate. This ethyl acetoacetate is again easily available, and this phenyl magnesium bromide is again easily available. Right? So synthesis. In the synthesis, we have to take this ethyl acetoacetate OET. If we treat this molecule with this phenyl magnesium bromide, then we know that as compared to this ester function group, ketonic function groups are more electrophilic, and therefore reaction will be takes place at this position, ketonic group, and therefore if we want to avoid the reaction at this ketonic function group, then we have to protect this group. How we can protect this group? We can protect this group by using a diol in presence of acidic condition, because we want to do the reaction at only the ester group, and for that we have to protect this ketonic function group, and then we can do the reaction at ketonic function group by using a 2 molecules of phenyl magnesium bromide, then in presence of H3O plus, and second one is deprotection. Deprotection will be used a target molecule, right? It gives a target molecule. So again, this is very simple method to prepare such type of target molecule which containing 2 function groups. Let us see again another target molecule. Another target molecule which containing a ketone function group in this way, right? So this is again one target molecule. So we can break this molecule. We can break this molecule at this position, carbon-carbon disconnection, right? Then if we break this molecule, in one side we will get a negative charge, and from other side we will get a positive charge, right? Here is positive charge. Then this molecule can be easily obtained from ketone. That means ketone in presence of base, it will be take this proton and it will be react with this molecule, and again this molecule will be easily prepared from this PHCH2Cl. If you go for synthesis, if you take this ketone in presence of strong base, and if we are adding this PHCH2Cl, so what it gives? It gives a different types of product. It gives a target molecule. Along with that, it will be gives a polyalkylation product. Polyalkylation product, because we know that a strong base and there are number of protons are present. There are again 2 protons are present. Here 3 protons are present, and therefore the acid strong base will be take the proton and it gives a product like this, right? pH. Along with that, it also gives a product like this, that is PHCH2 C double bond O CH3 pH. Here is again a pH, right? So that means if we can take such type of ketonic compound and a strong base, then here the polyalkylation will be observed, or sometimes self condensation will be observed, and therefore to avoid such type of polyalkylation and self condensation, we have to protect the ketonic function group in a such a way that it cannot form a such type of polyalkylation or self condensation product. So how we can protect this molecule? That means if there is such type of a compound, and in that compound suppose we want to break this molecule, if we break this molecule, then we have to take the negative charge at this position, but taking the negative charge at this position we have to activate this group, and by activating we can take a molecule like this, that is COOAT. Right? So this is will be the activation, and by the activation we can selectively form a target molecule, and after that decarboxylation we will get a target molecule. Right? That means suppose we want to take a ketonic as a synthone, and its synthetic equivalent will be, that is ethyl acetoacetate. So this will be the synthetic equivalent. That means it is a very good synthetic equivalent for this ketonic function group. Right? So you have to keep in mind that for the ketonic synthone, ethyl acetoacetate is a good synthetic equivalent. Suppose we see the synthesis. In the synthesis, we have to take the ethyl acetoacetate, right? COOAT. Here if we are taking a base that is sodium methoxide in presence of ethanol, what it gives? It gives formation of a negative charge at this position, and if we treat these molecule with this phenyl CH2Cl, then reaction will be go for selectively at this position, and it gives compound like this pH, and here is COOAT. And then if we treat this molecule with H3O plus, then what it gives? It gives a acid, and further if we hit this compound, then there is decarboxylation, and it gives a target molecule. Right? So this is again a very simple method to prepare such type of ketone when there is chance for the formation of the different types of product. So here is very simple method to prepare such type of target molecules. Let us see another target molecule. So this is the target molecule, and if we want to prepare such type of target molecule, then we can go for function group interconversion. In that function group interconversion, by converting it into a triple bond, so this will be the molecule. Initially we can break this molecule at this position, and then what it gives? It gives formation of a compound like this, along with it gives formation of CH3 plus, and here is minus, and it can be taken from, that is CH3I, that is methyl iodide. Then it can be taken from, that is a function group H. Then this molecule, if we break this molecule at this position, what it gives? It gives formation of a ketone, right? Ketonic function group, and the synthetic equivalent for this compound is, we know that ethyl acetoacetate is a good synthetic equivalent for this molecule. And then along with what it gives? It gives formation of a CH2 plus and C triple bond C and hydrogen here. Right? So this is then synthetic equivalent for this molecule we can take as a Br CH2, then C triple bond CH. It is called as a propargyl bromide. It is a propargyl bromide, and this propargyl bromide is easily available. Then if we go for synthesis, initially we have to take this ethyl acetoacetate COOAT in presence of a base, that is sodium ethoxide in presence of ethanol, and secondly if we treat with this propargyl bromide, what it gives? It gives formation of a compound like this, that is COOAT, along with it gives formation of CH2, then C triple bond CH. So it gives a compound like this. Then we have to protect this group by using a diol, because there is ketonic function group, and this ketonic function group we have to protect. Then we have to do for decarboxylation. That means if we hit this molecule, and then it will be hydrolyzed, and by the hydrolysis it will be gives a decarboxylation compound, and therefore it gives a compound like this, that is CH2, then C triple bond CH. So it gives compound like this. Now we have to, but we have protected here, then it gives formation of a such type of diol. Then we have to treat these molecules with strong base, that is sodium sodamide in presence of liquid ammonia. So what it gives, it will be takes the proton from this acetylene group, and then it gives formation of a negative charge here. And now treat this negative charge with methyl iodide, and after that methyl iodide, what it gives? It gives formation of CH, a compound like this, that is CH3. Now, sorry, here is a protected function group is there, OH, OH, OH. Then we have to go for reduction by using a Lindlar's catalyst. What is Lindlar's catalyst? That is H2PD in presence of barium sulfate. That it is called as a Lindlar's catalyst. Lindlar's catalyst. And then it will be gives a cis olefin. It gives a cis olefin. So, what is the cis olefin? It gives a compound like this. Along with there is a protected ketone. And if we go for deprotection, it gives a target molecule which containing carbonyl as well as a olefinic function group. So friends, let us stop here. The remaining part will be discussed in next lecture. Thank you.